First use of the electric bike shed. Why do we need a shed? I don't know. Why do you think we need a shed? Yeah, show the world that. This was our temporary garage. And then, oh, there go the neighbors. Cold morning, frost, sheds. We've just double checked and they're not level. They tilt down a little. Onions. There's onions. The electric bike's gonna go out of the shed for the first time. Dun da dum. Dun da dum da dum. Dum da dum. Onions. Can you stall? Stall. Stall. Yep, there you go. These are two 8x12 Jamaica cottage sheds.
Woo!
End to end.
Great
Oh,
for that one.
how's the ramp?
Oh my gosh, it's slippery.
From the frost?
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't think that we're gonna have to shovel it.
I saw these pallets in the neighbor's yard, by the way.
Uh-huh.
I just got them.
Why does the light why was the light on?
There's a rad wagon, first generation. I got used.